we'll think about what we all need to do and then hang out with them, and then tomorrow morning we'll take care.
Are you gonna come to the marina area?
Probably, yes.
Probably.
Because it should rain the whole day, so and we have Wi-Fi there.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
The high five.
We are the same mark and this is our van TV. We start from South Korea and drove our van through Russia, Mongolia, and now Europe. We are going to drive around the world, so why don't you join us? What a day. Great week last week. It's windy and everything is shaking. You guys might see this case is shaking crazy. And I have a little bit seasick right now. Actually, I'm not in this ocean, but TV is shaking so hard right now, so I feel like it's no good. The funny thing is that previously we camped in the beach. Most of camper move here because everyone know that like storm is coming, so this is the perfect spot. So we're in the marina right now. Hopefully we'll be okay. Let's try it. Ooh. No problem. 온다. Oh, it's so hot. Perfecto.
first time inside. It's very cozy, bigger than we thought. It's a good company with these two guys over there.
Known as the Koreans.
The Koreans.
굿모닝입니다 여러분. 저희는 칼라마타에 와 있고요. 저번에 있던 같이 캠핑을 했었는데 그동안 날씨가 너무 안 좋았어요. 태풍이 와가지고 그 마리나 요트 경기장 쪽에서 다른 캠퍼들과 함께 피신에 있다가 아저씨가 화났다. 피신에 있다가 오늘 날씨가 좋아져서 칼라마타라는 그 도시를 조금 걸어서 둘러보려고 하고 있습니다. 지금 아마 바람이 억지로 붑니다. 지금 아마 다 잡힐 거예요. 여튼 저희는 마을을 둘러보도록 하겠습니다. 너무 춥다. The bus cannot come here for sure. 버스 왔네? 키 들어왔지? 되게 엄청 좁아 보이는데.
잘.
마크에 말한 이유가 있었네. You say interesting means road is not that great. Right?
와우.
여러분 저희는 오늘 튜비 엔진 오일 갈고 배터리 교체하고 저번에 같이 캠핑했던 식구들한테 안녕 굿바이 인사를 하려고 했는데 생각보다 배터리 교체랑 그리고 엔진 오일 교체가 2시간 반 넘게 걸렸어요. 배터리 교체가 쉽지가 않아가지고. 그래서 여기서 캠핑을 하기로 했습니다. 뷰를 보여드릴게요. 캐슬 성이 있는 곳이고요. 여기는 포레트, 마크와 야나 다른 가족들의 차가 있습니다. 그래서 요렇게 TV 그리고 다른 식구들이랑 오늘 하루 캠핑하고 저희는 내일 넘어가 보려고요. 근데 진짜 너무 이쁘지 않나요? 여기 사람들이 먼저 온 이유가 있었어요.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.
Big thanks to all of our supporters on Patreon. We couldn't continue our journey without your encouragement and support. If you haven't joined the Tubi crew on Patreon yet, now is the perfect time. Pledge any amount of support and we'll send you a postcard as thanks.
What do you think about the video? Do you guys like it? Share your thought below comment. It will help us a lot. Oh, if you like the video, hit that like button. It will give us the power to create more videos. If you're new to our channel, click here to subscribe and you will see more videos. Other videos will show here. If you missed our videos, click here to check it. Then, bye bye!